Good morning. Keeping with the theme of starting all my videos in the car, it's not going to last. Got a shoot today, going to film it because it's going to be a good one. Weather is not playing ball, however we've got somewhere indoors to shoot, so I won't spoil it just yet. I'll do my new intro. Shout out to Chris at CVDM Photo who has helped with the new intro that will follow, and then also following that I'll add a little bit of B-roll so you can see what we're shooting today. Location, big reveal, echo. We've got a hangar and we've got some cars, so I'm now going to set up some lights in this area to get some good shots, some light painting. So let's go. So we are here, we've got the Porsche, we've got the Lambo, we've got Tom. Right. We're I'll take you around and look at what we can do. So first, what we're going to do with both cars is pick the best angle and then paint the light as we go around. So I'm taking probably 10 to 15 exposures of this that I'll stitch together, show you how I do that afterwards, and you can see the main shot. And then what I've done is I've got a load of detail shots which I'll do with both cars, and then we'll get some fire of them two together and then some outside. That is the shoot done. Thank you to the guys for bringing the cars along. This setting, pictures will follow. I don't know whether I'm just going to do a B-roll first and then pictures later, but you'll see. But yeah, sick day, sick shot. Thanks to Tom for coming along. I'll tag them all on there. But yeah, pictures soon to come. Sick day.